Last time we talked about what a network actually is, but a network isn't magically running in the air. Instead, it's running on host machines. You have probably heard the words router, switch, hub, or server, but do you actually know what they do? If not, no problem, I'll teach you. Starting off with the NIC, it stands for Network Interface Card and is a card required to connect a device to a network. It's usually pre-built into the device and it assigns a unique MAC address to the device. It's also useful to know that NICs don't operate on a single layer, but instead are a combination of both layer 1 and layer 2. If you're still confused, think of the NIC as DNA. They're both pre-built in and unique for every host. Next, what is a switch? The switch is a layer 2 device that uses MAC addresses to direct frames across a LAN. You can think of it as being similar to the post office clerk. If that's a switch, what is a hub, you may ask? Well, to put it simply, it's a device that repeats electrical signals and does not understand MAC addresses, meaning it does not understand frames. Why does this make switches better than hubs? Well, it's because switches send data to the correct host, whereas hubs flood them to every host in the network. It's essentially a dumber version of the switch, as data transfer is less secure. An easy analogy to remember, think of the switch as a phone and the hub as a loudspeaker. Next, what is a router? Well, it's a layer 3 device that connects two or more networks together by allowing packets to be transmitted between them. It may help to think of it as the middleman in a transaction. What is the difference between them? Well, the router uses layer 3, the switch uses layer 2. The router uses IP addresses, whereas the switch uses MAC addresses. The router connects different networks together, whereas the switch connects a device inside the same network. Next, the simplest one. What is a WAP? It stands for Wireless Access Point, and it's a device that allows other devices to connect to a network wirelessly. Next, an even simpler one. What is a server? It's literally just a powerful computer that provides responses to a client requests. And with that, you can describe server to anyone that's non-technical. So that describes the backbone of any network. In the next video, we'll discuss how those devices actually connect by looking into the wires involved. Till then, have a great day. Peace.